Welcome to today's GoMeddo tutorial on calendars and views. You can define what your calendars and views look like by configuring calendar records and linking them to views. Additionally, you can also configure colors and reservation types. On this calendar view, you can see the week, month, and year view setup. However, the day view is missing. If you want to set up the day view, first go to Calendars, select View All, select the desired calendar, in our case is Resources, then go to Related tab, scroll down to Calendar Views. Here you click View All, and you will see the already set up views. To create the day view, click New, and by searching day, you will see the package day views by GoMeddo. You can see multiple, since it's also the multi-calendar single calendar. You can set up the bottom order and make it default. After clicking save and refreshing the calendar, you will see that the day view now appeared. Going back to Related tab, we can see reservation colors, where you can set up default colors for your reservations types and statuses, and also customize them. Underneath, we see reservation types, where you can link existing and new reservation types to given calendars, which reservation type to display on the selected calendar. Now onto dynamic grouping fields. In our example, we will group contacts by account. After opening the contact calendar, we can see that every contact has an account related to it. When we go to our contact calendar, scroll down to dynamic grouping fields, click New, and here in our example, we fill in account ID as the basis of our grouping. We select it to be default, save. And now after refreshing our contact calendar, see our contact group by account.